Hi, I'm Josephine from Vietnam. This is my second trip to Skadu. Actually, I spent a lot of time in Gingit Baltistan area, maybe 10 or maybe more times before. But this is my second trip to Skadu. It's amazing, beautiful here. Actually, there's a lot of beautiful village, Machulo and Kaplu and Skadu and some area, Tangdal, and a lot of beautiful village in this area. And also, not only landscape, but people here are so nice. Yeah.
So how many times before you have visited here?
Actually, more than 10 times, I think, because mostly I spend time in Hunza and Upper Hunza area. But this is just second time in Skadu.
In Skardu?
Yeah, my
When
second time.
first time?
My first time is 2018.
18. Okay.
Yeah.
So first, what was the main change between this your first visit and this second visit you
Uh,
witness here?
Actually, for the first time, you come here as a guest, and from the second time, you have a friend here, so it means come back home.
Uh-huh.
It's, yeah,
What
it's,
is the main
it's not for tourists coming. It's coming to see friend and also to to to, to come back. Some kind like come back home. It's my second home here.
Okay. So what was the main fascinating thing remain here for you?
Fascinating here is I think mostly is people. People here is so kind and so nice.
Any hardship and any difficulty would you want to point out which should be removed immediately?
For the difficulty,
Yeah.
you mean so for the difficulty, I think maybe the only thing is the road condition and also electricity sometimes.
Uh-huh.
The road condition sometimes because of flight cancellation, so you have to travel by road. Sometimes you stuck on the road because of landslide or something, so road work on the way. So it takes a lot of time.
Okay.